Oh no!
What was that? I'm sure it was nothing.
Phew, thank goodness that stopped. Now, I need a glass of milk. Ow!
Okay, I'm checking out that noise.
I hear my daddy! Everyone, like this video right now to clean up this mess.
Are you the one making noise, Johnny?
Nope, wasn't me.
All right, I'm going back to bed. If I hear one more peep, I'm grounding you.
Oh boy, I can't wait for a midnight snack.
Daddy, go to bed.
I'll be quick. Oops.
Oh, this is bad. Please, everyone subscribe right now to stop me from getting in trouble.
Oh, I see who has been making all that noise. Come here, Maddie.
Dad, I just wanted a snack.